Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making banga soup. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First I'm going to cook my choice of proteins, goat meat and pre-cooked stripe. I'm going to season with chopped onions and seasoning powder. I will stir well to combine. Cover and allow it to steam cook for 6 to 8 minutes before adding water. While that is cooking, I will dissolve my banga soup base with hot water and allow it to settle.
This food is yummy. Delicious.
Next, I check on the proteins and it's 80% cooked. I'm going to add my banga base as well as my pepper, banga spice and crayfish. I will give it a good stir, cover and allow it to cook until oil floats on top. At this time, I check on the soup. As you can see, oil has floated on top. I have already decanted some of the oil because I don't want too much oil in my soup. Next, I'll add my catfish, which I seasoned with salt and allow it to marinate. I'm going to give it a good stir, cover and allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Five minutes later, I will add my banga leaf, fresh prawns and more crayfish. I will give it a good stir, cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. At this time, I check on the soup and it's ready. You can pair it with any swallow of your choice. I made pounded yam by adding some palm oil in a boiling water. Add yam flour gradually and mix. I actually used some of the oil I decanted from the soup. It looks so good and fluffy. That is it for today's video. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.